how to start dropshipping using Shein. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I will be talking about how we will be able to use Shein over here as a dropshipping source of products. Now, Shein could be a great platform to utilize as a source of products due to their very cheap prices. Their prices over here, based on what I'm seeing right now, are actually very cheap than your traditional sources of products. And we will be demonstrating and talking about how we will be able to set up our dropshipping interaction, our dropshipping business model, all the different apps that we will be using, third-party websites. And let's get started. So obviously, we will be using Shein over here as our source of products. We will be getting all kinds of products from Shein. And we will be mainly using this platform called AutoDS to handle our dropshipping interaction with us or for us. So let me explain. So AutoDS is a platform that allows us to connect through all of these different stores over here. The most basic one is a Shopify store, which I currently have and will be using for our demo for today. There's also eBay, Amazon, Facebook, Wix, WooCommerce, and TikTok Shop, which is also another popular option. So after selecting your specific store, we could then proceed to using AutoDS. Now, you are able to get products from Shein and upload it into AutoDS, which then will be uploaded into your selected store. Let's first look for products that we want to transfer or import. I saw some really cheap prices over here earlier, so let's select one from here. So let's say this clothing over here. Let's open it in another tab. We will go back there later on. Let's check out other categories over here as well. There's all kinds of clothing, from kids to adults. Let's look at pet supplies over here. Let's say view all. Let's see all the different products they have under pet supplies. This could be a great product over here. Design, dinosaur design, pet plushie shoe. Let's see what else can we look. This one looks great as well. And let's look for another one. Let's say toys and games. Under toys and games, I guess Tools and Home Improvement was the one located. Under this one, under this category, we could open maybe this one over here. So far we have looked and opened 4 different products that I would like to import into AutoDS and of course into my store. Now, how do we do it? In AutoDS, you will be able to add all kinds of products into your store through the Add Products option over here. And there's this option called Single Products or Multiple Products. Either one works. Let's try the single product over here. As you can notice, all you need to do actually is to just import or paste the URL of the product. Now, you might think, how does it work? And does it even support Shein? If you can see over here under supplier source that AutoDS supports, we could absolutely use Shein as our source of products. So let's say this one and paste it over here. Click on Edit Now or Publish to Store. It depends on your preference. But we could do Edit Now because sometimes people are not satisfied with the original title, original description, even the photos. And by editing it, we will be able to actually modify it to a certain extent, such as the title, the description, variants, photos, all of those things. Let's give it time for our product to load over here. We will be able to modify a lot of its parts, so let's give it a few moments. It might take a few minutes, so we're just going to wait on that. Now, earlier, I have already been importing different kinds of products. So as an example here, I have imported 3 products from AutoDS. And all of them appeared under here. As you can see, these are the products that I have imported as a sample of AutoDS. Now the draft over here, it might take some time. Sometimes there's an issue. So let's try it again actually with a single product. And let's just publish it to store for now. Click on track here to track progress. You can view the status over here. As you can see, currently importing the product from Shein into my Shopify store. So give it some time, and let's actually now try to import all of our other products. So you could also import multiple products at once by using the multiple options. So simply paste the URL, click on enter, paste another URL, click on enter once again, and then paste the last URL. Click on add as draft, click here, and as you can see, it should over here, as you can see on the process, there's 0 out of 3, which we did use. We have 3 options over here, and it's going to import those products. Now it might take a while. It's having trouble splicing or sculpting the information, but nonetheless, it will be able to deliver what it is promising to do. And as I talked about earlier, these are samples of the products that I have already imported in my Shopify store. After, as you can see, we already have one done over here. We can click on import, and it's going to begin importing into our store as well. So that's just a process. You're just going to have to wait and give it some time. You can also use other features of AutoDS, which is useful. They also have their own marketplace if you're interested in exploring more options, more platforms to check out of other products. The products that appears here are typically from other sources of products as well, based on the list that we saw earlier. Also, if you notice that there's a notification that our product has been imported, so if we refresh this, we should be able to see. There we go. We have one of the products from Shein, specifically this one over here, imported into our Shopify store. Right then and then, very quick, very easy, very fast. And you could do this for as many products as you prefer, as many products as you want, and to all of the platforms that I have shown earlier, or all of the stores over here, you could use and do that. You could monitor your drafts, your orders, your dashboard, all of those things, as you can see here. So just give them time, because sometimes it's going to have a hard time importing. It also depends on your internet speed and I guess the server as well. But nonetheless, it will proceed and finish up. So we could cancel, we could delete, stuff like that. It all depends on how you want to handle this. So let's just set out the scene. This one, it's taking some time. But anyway, that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.